Hi, my name is Mike. When we decided earlier this year to sell our house in Mississauga and downsize, we looked at a number of the options that were available to us. We investigated Purple Bricks, we checked into your classical real estate agent, and we also, because of what we had heard and some research on the internet, checked into Justo. We had Jazz from Justo come out and meet with us, and we were very impressed with not only his approach and his demeanor, but also with the services and the capabilities that Justo would offer to us. Obviously, one of the starting points was the ability to save some money on the sale of our home, and of particular interest as well was the ability to be able to actually receive a check, cash back, for the purchase of our new home. We decided after meeting with Jazz that we would go forward with Justo, and with Jazz in particular, and things moved pretty quickly from there. The services we received from Justo were also great. This included the staging consultation, which was a very big help for us in setting up our house so that it would be viewed by buyers in the most positive light. It was a large 4-bedroom house, and the staging assistance was absolutely fabulous for helping us set it up properly. We also received the benefit of the 3D dollhouse and pictures that were taken, which really helped to show the house in a very good light. We were sold within 4 days, and we sold for above asking price, and also for a price that was a record for the street that we were on. With that portion completed, and by the way, we saved, by my estimate, about $14,000 in the commissions compared to a classical real estate agent sale, and again, with absolutely no issues on the services that we received. We then proceeded to the purchase side. Jazz was with us every step of the way, helping us with research, lining up the visits for us, and arranging for us to be able to have the proper time to look at the houses, and we looked at quite a few. We ended up with a house in Winona, which is at the far end of Stony Creek, and the beautiful thing with that was, aside from the fact that we absolutely loved the new house that we're in, was the fact that we received a check for over $8,000 to put directly into our pockets from the purchase of it. I cannot say enough good things about how simple, how easy, and how sophisticated the process was in working with Justo and with our agent Jazz. It was totally seamless, it was absolutely painless, and it was a pleasure to work with them. The services that were offered were easily on par with what we would have expected from a classical real estate brokerage. The personality and help from Jazz in particular was wonderful, and we saved a ton of money. What's not to like about that? Finally, the services also included the provision of the legal fees and the home inspection on the purchase side, which was absolutely wonderful. I would highly recommend Justo to anybody that is looking to buy a new home or to sell their existing home.